long, long time ago, I can still remember how the music used to make me smile. And I knew that if I had my chance, I can make those people dance, and maybe they'd be happy for a while. Did you write the book of love, and did you have faith in God above? If your Bible tells you so, now do you believe in rock and roll and music? Save your marble soul, and can you teach me how to dance real slow? Well, I know that you're in love with him, 'cause I saw you dancing in the rain. You both kicked off your shoes. Man, I did dance rhythm and blues. I was a lonely teenage drunken buck with a pink carnation and a pickup truck, but I knew that I was out of luck the day the music died. I started singing bye bye Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to a levee, but the levee was dry. And good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye, singing this won't be the day that I die. This won't be the day that I die.